Hello friends, in the previous video we have learned different concepts through vegetables. Today we will learn maths through vegetables. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. So, today we will learn the concept of odd one out. See, I am having so many vegetables with me and few vegetables in the tray. So let's see what I am having. I am having onions. 1 onion, 2, 3 and 4. And what is this? This is tomato. So tomato is odd one. So we will take it out. So let's do once again. So I'm going to keep onions in it and some different vegetables going to pick. So what I am having now? I am having potatoes with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is this? Brinjal. So brinjal is odd one. So brinjal is odd. So now we will learn the concept of more and less through vegetables. See what I am having. I am having 2 plates of different vegetables. See. Wow. Now let's count. How many vegetables are in this plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in another plate, let's count. 1, 2. So, which one is more? So, this one is more. Number 7. In this plate, there are 7 vegetables. And in this plate, there are 2. So, which is more? This plate is more. This plate is having more vegetables. And this is less. Let's learn the concept of addition through vegetables. See what I am having. I am having a tray with potatoes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 potatoes. There are 4 potatoes in the baskets. Now if I will put 2 potatoes in it, so again we will count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am having 6 potatoes with me. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Yeah, we have learned addition in a fun way. Now we will learn subtraction in a fun way through vegetables. Let's see what I am having. I am having lady finger with me. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I am having 9 lady fingers with me. Now I will take it out. 4 lady fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are left with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are left. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So, in this video, we have learned maths in interesting and in a fun way through vegetables. Now, in next video, we will learn to enhance fine motor skills and eye-hand coordination through vegetables. So, if you like this video, please like, share and comment.